we're out here with Xander. Xander's going to be shooting the compound bow at a bear target.
Yep.
Right?
Yes.
What do you got to say?
Happy Thanksgiving. And I've been actually practicing for a while now with this. And with that bow right there. This was my first ever bow I got. It looks like it will break if you pull it back though. Too far. So yeah, we're gonna be shooting the target today.
Nice shot.
I'm heading all around that bear. That one's broken already.
Not bad. What do you like better, the wood arrows or the graphite?
Wood.
Well, that's all the wood ones. Whoa.
That one's also the broken one.
All right, what do you got to say?
I don't really know. I've been practicing, I guess. I don't really know what to say. But yeah, happy Thanksgiving. And we're about to compare this one. Should I go get that? That was the compound bow. I hit all but two. The two I didn't hit because those two were broken. And we're about to try what kind of bow is it again?
That's just a regular bow.
Yeah, regular. I'm not too good with this one. See what I mean by that? The arrows will flop around even if I take my time.
Nice shot.
Thank you. Should I try two or just one?
You draw it.
Okay. I hit one. This one's so hard to get on. Ow. This bow is definitely harder for me.
Yeah, you're much better with the other bow.
Ow. I used to be so good with this bow.
All right, what do you say between the two? What's your favorite?
This one and
Which one?
the compound, and I still like this one. It's just that I'm not used to this one that much anymore. But I'm used to this one because I've been practicing with it the most. Some people say they're better with this one than this one. Probably because this one has more power and it will go up farther. But yeah. So I gotta say I like the compound bow and the normal bow.